guys. So, I nearly forgot, and wow, it's such an important thing. It's Draw a Bird Day. Uh, how could I almost forget that? That's scary that I almost forgot. So, it's time to draw a bird. Um, Maybe we should start with the ground first. Sure. I'm gonna go with one of those thingies. Yeah. Black is fine for now. Ooh, ground. Yeah. And let's color it, say green. Ground is green, right? Maybe a lighter green. Yeah. A lighter green? No. 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 Well, that'll do. And then we'll take our darker green here and we'll make it nice and dark, and we'll make that the outline thing. Yeah. So that's our ground. We need a sky, right? Right? We need a sky. There's birds. There's our sky. What else? We need some fluffy clouds, right? Right? Am I right or not? I'm right. I'm right. Yeah. Fluffy clouds? No, not that kind. This kind. Some fluffy clouds. No, that's not a good cloud. I don't know how to draw a cloud. Ooh, that's a cloud. That is a cloud. Yes, it is. Okay, now, let's draw a freehand cloud too. Just because. That's not how a cloud's shaped. Let's... Yeah. That's not a very good cloud either, but that's okay. That's not a very good cloud. No. Okay. We'll just keep that cloud. We need the sun somewhere. Right? Do we need the sun? I mean, it's kind of a given that it's daytime. You know what we need? We need a tree. We need a tree. Brown, right? Let's go with this thing again, just because it makes things almost look nice. And we'll draw us a pretty little tree here. And maybe I should switch to the other one for this other side here. Yes, that's a very pretty little tree. Yes, of course. Oh yeah, I'm feeling the tree. Yeah. Let's see. Let's go ahead and fill that in real quick. Yeah, that's our tree. Let's add some branches. Branches. Let's go ahead and just use that one. Ooh, that's not a good branch. I could do the top of the tree like that though. Like, ooh, yeah, that's a good tree. Yeah, that's a good tree. Good tree, yeah. Now I just need some brighter green. That's not green, is it? No. I don't want the grass green. No, no, no. It's gotta be darker. Let's go with ew, not that. Maybe that. Yeah, that's our tree. Our tree with a very bright trunk that you can see through. That's probably not a good idea. Let's obscure the trunk a little bit. Yeah. Let's how would I do that? Let's just take our circle thingy and, you know, whatever. It's almost a tree, right? It's almost a tree. It's a tree. That's our tree. What do you, don't question the tree. All right. You know what? Let's just and then there. That's our tree. Don't fucking question the tree. Now, uh, where was I? Oh yeah, it's fucking bird day. Fuck yeah. I need a bird, right? Hmm. Well, I'll show you how I used to draw a bird when I was a little kid. Let's zoom in here. Let's draw him on top of this hill. It'll be a real little bird. Let's see. Let's go with black. No, we'll go with brown. So, I'll just take a circular, ugly-looking thing. That's a square. That's circular, and I would just go like this. You gotta realize I was in like um, second grade or something, but I would go like that, and then like that, and add some speckles, right? Speckles, and then the feet. Gotta have a lighter color feet. Orange, maybe? Yeah, of course, orange. Paints feet. Yeah, that's a little bright. Let's go with a little darker orange, huh? Yeah. No, that's red. No, let's brown and then lighter, lighter, lighter. That's a little too. Let's go a little oranger. Well, whatever. Yeah, that'll work. And then he'd have his little feet, you know. Right, okay, and then, yeah, and then he'd have, oh, I don't know. Let's give him a blue eye, huh? A dark blue eye. Yeah. Scary blue eye, and then a beak. Let's go with the line. No line tool. This is how I did it when I was a kid. I didn't use a friggin' line tool. Yellow. Yellow. Ooh, ugh. That's not very. Ugh, yuck. A little bit more orange. Yeah, that'll do. And he'd have like, I don't know, a beak. Like that. And it might have a little line to separate the top from the bottom, like that. Now that's how I did it when I was a little kid. But oh wait, he's not right. He's blue. He's not a bluebird. Fuck bluebirds. No, that's I don't mean to discriminate. I like blue jays just as much as other birds. Let's make him a cardinal. Oh my god, no. Oh. Let's take this color and just go up a little bit, huh? Yeah. He's a cardinal. That's what he is. He's a creepy cardinal. That's our bird. That's a bird. That's a bird. I think I need a bigger bird that's gonna like eat that bird. What do you say? I have no idea how I would draw a bird today. I don't draw. Let's see. A really big beak. Let's start with a beak here. It's got to be open already, so that's wrong already. So no. Okay. Let's zoom in. No, let's not zoom in. How do I want to do this? I need that, and then that, and then that, and that. That's his big beak, right? Yeah. That's his freaking big beak. And there's gonna be a little red tongue. Yeah. Little red tongue here. Yeah. Yeah. And then let's see. some brown, and you're gonna have the head go up that way, right? And he's gonna be standing over here, and he's shaped very badly. No, still his head. No, still bad. No. This is good. Yeah, this will do. And then we need a big scary eye. A big scary eye. Wait, let's finish the beak. Let's finish the beak. Let's just yeah. Okay, and then oh my god. That looks kind of interesting, but no. No. We need to fill that in. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Fill it in. Fill it in. Yeah. And connect there and there. Did I miss anywhere else? No. Okay. So now we're gonna fill the beak in. Right. So that's a funny looking beak, but let's give him a nostril. Okay, now we need to give him a big ass eye right here, and we're gonna make it yellow. Big yellow eye. Evil. Let's give him some evil eyebrows too. He's gonna eat him. He's gonna eat him. So let's fill in the eye. No, that's the wrong color. I can't see what I'm doing. Okay. No, that's still the wrong color. You're not evil enough. No. Be more evil. No. Okay, zoom in. I can't see what I'm doing on this big monitor in this tiny section here. Okay, be more evil. Here we go. Oh, no. Okay. Let's connect the eye. Yeah. Okay. Now, there we go. Now we need the pupil thing, right? Or whatever. Do birds have those? I don't know. Sure. Oh, let's fix this a little bit too. And then give him the big, scary pupil thing. Yeah. And he's gonna eat the little bird. Yeah. Right. Okay. Alright, yeah. Oh, wrong. No. I can't pick the right I can't see where I'm clicking. There we go. Yay. Right. Okay, he's going to be behind the tree even though he's the same color. Right. And we're going to fill him in here. Yeah. Bird. He's a tree bird. That's what he is. That's his fucking leg right there. That's his wing. His wing is green. He's a tree bird. That's right. And he's friggin' no. His eyebrow, no. No. Oh. No. Oh god, no. We need the evil eyebrow. There we go. Oh yeah, he's gonna eat that bird. Yeah. Alright. That's our wait a minute. No, I'm not done yet. No. 1 minute here. Let's draw a black circle. I need thicker lines. Thick. Oh, yeah, that'll do. And then let's zoom in here. Yeah, and then some lines. Yeah, and then what? How about eraser? Where is the eraser? What does the eraser look like? It's been a while since I've used this. Okay. Yeah. All right. So the little birdie's saying, oh, I can't do it with zoomed in. Text. Ooh, too big. Birdie's gonna say, what is the little birdie gonna say? Don't eat me? Eh, this is my on-screen keyboard thing. My keyboard is wireless and it's not within reach at the moment. What's he gonna say? Oh my god. Fuck you. You can't see it, I know, but you will. Ooh. Big bird. No, fuck you's good. Yeah. Black. And bigger. No, not that big. 10. And bold and not this weird font. We'll go with I don't know what that is. No, that's not weird. That is weird, but let's go with the crappy Comic Sans. Yeah. Go with 12. Fuck and you. Yeah. Yeah. That's right. Right. Zoom in there. We gotta fix that a little bit. Fuck you. And then we're gonna add a period after each word. Fuck you. Yeah. He says that, and then the big bird is gonna eat him. Goodbye, little bird. State bird of Ohio. I never liked you anyways. Eat him, Mr. Tree Bird. Eat him. Goodbye, guys.